Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So in the previous video we discussed about the time shifting operation which is performed on continuous time and discrete time domain signals, and there we performed the time shifting operation by equating uh, the signal with the particular thing, that shifting operation, whether it was in the negative or the positive direction, which means towards the left or the right. Depending on that, we used this equation and then we performed the shifting. This method is I would suggest for a beginner who is getting started with this whole shifting and other basic operations, scaling, amplitude scaling, time reversal, all that. But from an examination point of view, where there is a time crunch, this method will be lengthy. So I suggest that you always approach this through the shortcut method, which is by looking at the expression, the shifting operation that is to be performed. You can directly say in which direction this signal will move and what will be the final shifted signal, or whatever signal, the shape of the signal, the position of the signal after operation. So for that, we know that the shifting is of two types. Let's say we have a signal x t, then the shifting can happen like this: x t minus t or x t plus t. So here what will happen, the minus sign, I have already told you earlier, but here also I am telling, the minus sign here, it means that the signal will shift to the right. Okay, the signal will shift to the right side, and by t units. It will shift to the right by t units, the original signal which will give us this shifted signal. Here the plus sign, it means that the shifting will take place to the left. Okay, to the left by t units. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Now let us perform some shifting operations on some signals, and by that you will see how we can directly perform the shifting by using this. Okay, so now let us perform some shifting operations on some basic signals. First, let us take the step signal. Okay, the unit step signal. Let's take. Okay, this is time axis, this is ut. Okay, this is the unit step signal. Now let us perform a shifting operation ut minus 4. Okay, again minus sign, by just looking at the minus sign you can make out that the signal will shift to the right. Okay, the signal, the unit step signal will shift to the right. This 4, it gives us the information that the shifting will take place by 4 units. So the signal, this signal will shift to the right by 4 units. So how you perform this shifting? You take one reference point, in this case we'll take this, the starting point of the signal, okay, that is the reference point. This, the signal starts from here, this, the unit step signal. So we'll shift this point by 4 units to the right. That will give us the shifted unit step signal. Okay, this is the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It will shift by 4 units to the right. This. Okay. So this is the shifted unit step signal. Okay. Minus sign means shifting to the right, 4 means by 4 units. Similarly, we can do in the opposite way. Okay, so now let us do the shifting in the opposite direction, that is u, let's say ut plus 3. Okay, so here directly if you want to do the plus sign, it means the shifting will take place to the left by how much? The number is 3 units. So we'll take the starting point of the signal, the point of origin, which is this, and we'll shift it to the left by 3 units. So the shifted signal will be, in this case, this. So it will shift to the left by 3 units. So it means the signal will start from here. Okay, here. So here the same thing, just by looking at this expression ut plus 3, this shifted signal, first plus sign, it means shifting to the left, 3 means by 3 units, the shifting will take place by 3 units. So this is the shifted signal ut plus 3. So always remember this, plus means shifting to the left, minus means shifting to the right, and this number, whatever value it is there, it means by that much units the shifting will take place. Okay, so here we have performed shifting operation on the unit step signal. Okay.